How did my week go as a futures trader? Pretty much it went like shit. Let me tell you how. So today's actually Wednesday. It's been over a week, but basically I'm gonna just run you through a little week recap. So we blew the combine. Yes, I blew the combine, and right after I blew it, I buy another one. I blew it on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday I blew the combine, and it just I was not following my strategy. Basically, I was just playing around. I wasn't trusting my strategy and doing what I was supposed to do, so I blew it. Bought another one. I said, hey, we're supposed to start off following our strategy, trusting our strategy, and going from there. Not worry about the money, worry about the strat. And that's what I'm doing now with the account I just got. So, started in the negatives with this one, right? But now we're up only $150. But well, $160. And yeah, so only because I followed my strategy is why I'm up. I started trusting my strategy, started actually paying attention to the markets and seeing what's going on before just saying, hey, it's gonna do this, let me trade here. So been paying more attention, been back just watching videos on my strategy over and over and over. And my strategy worked before and I could have made money before with my strategy. Why can't I do it now? It worked before, it should still work now. It's the same thing. People making money with it. Why I can't make money with it? But anyway, I'll kind of show you a little breakdown of the trade this morning that I took. Today is Wednesday. It's still October 29. Let me show you. Pretty much what I did notice was we already tapped in at 8:15. We already tapped this zone. So price already did what it had to do right there. So let's go ahead, go back to 9:30. So 9 o'clock, well 9:25, 9:30 candle hit. I had a limit sell right here, so it tapped me in. We started selling, we started going down, and then I realized how like volatile it was. Like it started going crazy. So as you can see, the chart looked like a mess, a complete mess. It was going everywhere, and I ended up coming out like around here at 9:45. I came out of the trade because I saw how it was and it looked like price was about to reverse because they probably know people selling, so they try and get all them sellers stopped out. And then as you can see, price did end up coming down, and then it started being choppy. Basically throughout the day it was just a whole bunch of chop. We did have this big nasty sell off right here, so yeah, but pretty much I didn't stay in the trade long enough for this. If I stayed in, my stop loss would have been right here, and I've already got stopped out, which they know. So they came up, boom, stopped everybody out, created liquidity, boom, 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 price drop, right? So that's pretty much what happened. Now please bear with me, try and get better at explaining my trades. It would be a little easier if I had a webcam and then I don't have to, focus on holding the camera and doing what I'm doing. But still with the terminology, still getting better at, using the terminology everybody use. I really simple dude. I like to make everything sound as simple as possible, especially for me. It it don't need to be complicated at all. The simpler it is, the better. But pretty much that's what I do. That's how the trade went out today. I made, I'll show you how much I made right now. I'm up $165 total on the account. Today I made in one trade. Today I made crap. I made 252 today. So yeah, yesterday I lost 111. Pretty much what happened yesterday, the markets was everywhere. It wasn't a good trading day for me yesterday. At least what I was watching on Nas wasn't good for me. And yeah, so this actually didn't come from Nas. I was watching Nas, but Nas wasn't doing what I was doing. So I stayed out of Nas. I ended up trading gold, Dow, made a little change from that. I was actually trying a different strategy that my partner was teaching me. And I was like, you know what, let me stop. Let me use my strategy. Let me try Nas, see what's Nas saying. Nas started to make a little movement that I wanted to see. But I know I should have stayed out, and this is exactly why. End up losing 145, but that's okay. Came back with a dub today with 252. Day before was 373, right? So small trades, but I'm risking less so I can make more. If the market isn't giving me something really strong, I'm not going to go for anything really strong. I'm just gonna follow my trading plan, my strategy, and we'll go from there. Yeah, I ain't worried about the money right now, right? That's why I've been messing up so much. Worry about the money, worry about my profits, instead of worrying about me just following my strategy, putting my stop loss. I might take profit, whatever hit. Sometimes your strategy doesn't always work. The market does what the market does. Can't control that. But yeah, so last week horrible. I was mad that I failed that account because I really wanted that to be one of the last accounts I had to buy. But you live and you learn, right? So we onto this new combine and we in it to win it. So let's see how it goes. Tomorrow, Thursday, let's see how the market's looking tomorrow. I haven't checked news for tomorrow, so I don't really know what tomorrow is gonna bring. Not expecting anything. We're gonna just hop in the charts tomorrow, see what we could get. We get what we get, and that's it. And that's all, right? So, yeah. This video ain't gonna really be long and too much substance, nothing going on. Just me giving y'all a little update. And yeah, so anything y'all wanna see, y'all could let me know. My trading strategy, I'm not gonna show that yet until I get a webcam, so I could screen record and show you properly instead of recording on my phone. Especially because the charts don't look that good when you record like from your phone, from the computer. So once I get a cam, I'll be able to do a little more, and we'll go from there. So saying not a lot, but you know, it's a habit. Anyway, yeah. Yesterday I went to the gym. Died, absolutely died. Like my titties are swollen, bro. Like swell. Um, everything hurts. I did a little bit, but I actually know I lied. I did legs before, so I did legs on Monday, and 40 hours later you start to feel legs. So I'm feeling my legs now, and it don't feel good. But yeah, gotta be fit, gotta be nice. You know what I mean? So anyway, I'll check you out in the next video. I'm gonna shoot to record for tomorrow. I want to do a little dailies, nice shot little videos. When I get a webcam for sure, it's gonna be a lot more videos. But since I record on my phone, I just don't like making shitty content for y'all. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hold it on.